The minimum plate spacing in most of the petroleum refinery distillation columns of DR3 feet is normally inches. A6, B12, C18, D34. The correct answer is 18. Joint efficiency J for a seamless pipe is A1, B 0.85, C 1.2, D 0.5. The correct answer is 1. For a given design of bubble cap, the number of bubble caps to be used per tray is set by the A. Allowable gas velocity through the slots, B. Plate spacing, C. Diameter of the column, D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is allowable gas velocity through the slots. The shell side pressure drop in a shell and tube heat exchanger is maximum for baffle, A. Disc and ring, B. Segmental, C. Orifice, D. Independent of the type of. The correct answer is orifice. The function of manholes provided in the shell of a distillation column is to A. Keep a check on the liquid gradient over the plate by direct visual observation, B. Give access to the individual trays for cleaning, maintenance, and installation, C. Guard against foaming entrainment by dumping antifoaming agent through it, D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is give access to the individual trays for cleaning, maintenance, and installation. Backtrapping in a distillation column results due to A. Low gas velocity, B. High gas velocity, C. Excessive liquid gradient over the tray, D. Low reflux ratio. The correct answer is excessive liquid gradient over the tray. For a cylindrical vessel of moderate height, the weld joint efficiency for joints parallel to the cylindrical axis is given as 1.0, while for joints along the girth circumference it is given as 0.8. In calculating the shell wall thickness using code formula for an internally pressurized cylindrical vessel, what value of weld joint efficiency should be used? A 0.8, B 0.9, C 1.0, D 0.8, 0.5. The correct answer is 0.8. Diameter of bubble caps used in high-pressure columns is as compared to that used in identical vacuum columns. A less, B more, C same, D either A or B. No generalization can be made. The correct answer is more. The ideal size of round bubble caps to be used in industrial distillation column having a diameter of 3-6 meters is CMS, A5, B15, C7.5, D50. The correct answer is 15. Lap joints are preferred for plates having thickness mm, A12.5, B3, C5, D510. The correct answer is 3. In a distillation column, minimum clearance to be maintained between the overflow weir and the last row of the bubble caps is CMS, A2.5, B7.5, C15, D20. The correct answer is 7.5. Which of the following lengths of heat exchanger tubes are normally not used in practice? A 2.5 meters, B 6 meters, C 10 meters, D 0.5 meter. The correct answer is 10 meters. A pipe is generally made of circular cross-section because a circular cross-section has the A. higher structural strength, B. lowest surface area requirement for a given volume, C. both A, B, D. none of these. The correct answer is both A, B. In case of a shell and tube heat exchanger, the effect of LD on inside film heat transfer coefficient HI vanishes after a Reynolds number of A 1000, B 3000, C 5000, D 10,000. The correct answer is 10,000. Equivalent diameter for heat transfer calculation for a duct of square cross section having each side as D will be AD, BD, C2D, D2D. The correct answer is D. A cylindrical storage tank can have a self-supported conical roof. A if its diameter is less than 15-20 meters. B if its diameter is more than 50 meters. C if the thickness of the roof is more than that of the cylindrical shell. D irrespective of its diameter. The correct answer is if its diameter is less than 15-20 meters. For high-pressure process equipment's vessels, the connected nozzle should be A. welded, B. screwed, C. flanged, D. braced. The correct answer is flanged. Smoker's equation for the calculation of number of equilibrium stages in a continuous binary distillation column is used when the A. relative volatility is close to 1, e.g. separation of close boiling isomers. B. feed is not at its bubble point. C. number of equilibrium stages in only stripping section is to be calculated. D. number of equilibrium stages required is likely to be very small. The correct answer is relative volatility is close to 1, e.g. separation of close boiling isomers. Column support for the roof of cylindrical storage tank must be provided for A. small diameter tanks, B. large diameter tanks, C. small diameter tall tanks, D. all tanks irrespective of their heights and diameters. The correct answer is large diameter tanks. For a cylindrical internally pressurized vessel, which of the following closure types would withstand highest pressure if each closure is of the same material and thickness? A. hemispherical, B. ellipsoidal to 1, C. conical, D. flat plate. The correct answer is ellipsoidal to 1. In inclined long tube vertical evaporators, the tubes are inclined at an angle of A. 15, B. 90, C. 45, D. 60. The correct answer is 45. In a continuous distillation column, the optimum reflux ratio ranges from times the minimum reflux ratio A. 1.1 to 1.5, B. 1.6 to 2, C. 2.2 to 2.6, D. 2.7 to 3. The correct answer is 1.1 to 1.5. The wall thickness for a large high-pressure pipeline is determined by the consideration of the A. axial tensile stress in the pipe, B. forces exerted by static and dynamic action at bends, C. circumferential pip wall tension, D. temperature stresses. The correct answer is circumferential pip wall tension. In the case of a shell and tube heat exchanger, the logarithmic mean temperature difference A. is always less than arithmetic average value, B. is always more than arithmetic mean value and the geometric mean value, C. is always less than arithmetic mean value but more than geometric mean value, D. may be either more or less than geometric mean and arithmetic mean value depending upon whether the flow of stream is co-current or counter-current. The correct answer is always less than arithmetic average value. Skirt support is the most suitable for supporting vessels. A. small horizontal, B. large horizontal, C. tall vertical, D. thick walled. The correct answer is tall vertical. Baffles may be eliminated for A. low viscosity liquids 200 poise, B. high viscosity liquids 600 poise, C. large diameter tanks, D. none of these. The correct answer is high viscosity liquids 600 poise. Generally, as the length of the liquid part on a tray is increased beyond 5 feet, the overall column efficiency A increases. B decreases. C remains same. D may increase or decrease depending upon the plate spacing. The correct answer is increases. Impact absorption tower onset of flooding usually occurs at a pressure drop of about mm of water column per meter height of packing. A 2550. B 5075. C 200-250. D 750-1000. The correct answer is 5075. For pipe flow's head is proportional to at constant capacity where D pipe diameter. A 1D. B 1D2. C 1D5. D D2. The correct answer is 1D5. The minimum tray spacing in distillation column of diameter less than 3 feet is normally inches. A 6. B 18. C 24. D 34. The correct answer is 6. Oxygen-carrying pipelines in chemical industries are colored with color. A yellow. B black. C blue. D red. The correct answer is blue. Normally the ratio of the total riser area to the tower cross-sectional area for bubble cap towers of diameter more than 3 feet is around A 0.40.6, B 0.350.75, C 0.10.2, D 0.550.85. The correct answer is 0.10.2. Pick out the wrong statement about the design of sieve plate column and the bubble cap column. The downcomer design and the residence time in the downcomer is almost same for sieve plate and bubble cap columns. B wear length for a bubble cap plate is the same as that for the sieve plate. C wear height for a bubble cap plate column is the same as that for a sieve plate column. D wear height in case of a bubble cap plate ranges from 50 to 150 mm and is higher than the sieve plate. The correct answer is wear height for a bubble cap plate column is the same as that for a sieve plate column. Maximum size of the Ruskig rings used in a packed tower is about of the column diameter. A 1/10, B 1/20, C 1/30, D 1/50. The correct answer is 1/30. The type of stress developed in a metallic bar on subjecting it to a change in temperature without allowing it to be deformed is stress. A shear, B tensile, C compressive, D thermal. The correct answer is thermal. The safe distance of habitation from a hazardous chemical plant TLV of its product 1000 ppm should be about kms. A 1. B 5. C 15. D 25. The correct answer is 25. Pick out the wrong statement pertaining to a shell and tube heat exchanger. The minimum value of baffle spacing is 50 mm. B the maximum value of baffle spacing is equal to the ID of the shell. C the maximum unsupported tube span is generally about 75 times tube diameter but is reduced to about 60 times for aluminium-copper alloys of these. D disc and donut baffle is the most commonly used baffle. The correct answer is disc and donut baffle is the most commonly used baffle. Corrosion allowance in the design of pressure vessel chemical equipment is not necessary if A. Plain carbon steel and cast iron parts are used. B. Wall thickness is 30 mm. C. Material of construction is high alloy steel. D. Both of C. The correct answer is both of C. Maximum allowable vapor velocity in a bubble cap tower is determined by the A. Entrainment considerations. B. Vapor density. C. Diameter of the column. D. None of these. The correct answer is Entrainment considerations. Normally the plate thickness of the bottoms and roofs of vertically cylindrical storage vessels as compared to that of the cylindrical shell is A. more, B. less, C. same, D. more or less depending upon the pressure temperature inside the vessel and the nature of the fluid contained therein. The correct answer is less. The practical representative values of HETP for a number of commercial operations lies within a range of meter. A 0.1 0.2, B 0.2 0.5, C 0.4 0.9, D 1.2 1.5. The correct answer is 0.4 0.9. Of the pressure vessels with same thickness but different diameters, which one withstands higher pressure? A. larger dia vessel, B. smaller dia vessel, C. larger dia long vessel, D. strength of the vessel is same irrespective of the diameter. The correct answer is smaller dia vessel. Reflux ratio variation in a distillation column is between A. 0 and infinity, B. 0 and 1, C. minimum and infinity, D. none of these. The correct answer is minimum and infinity. In condenser the cooling water is passed in the tube side in a pass arrangement because A. it reduces heat transfer area, B. more thinner tubes can be used, C. pressure drop is reduced, D. it makes condenser compact. The correct answer is it reduces heat transfer area. Impact towers provided with Paul rings liquid redistributors are positioned at heights of every 6 meters or 5-10 times the column diameter, whichever is less. Maximum size of the Paul rings should not exceed of the column diameter. A. 110 1/15, B. 15 1/10, C. 120 1/30, D. 12 to 1/4. The correct answer is 110 1/15. Height of the flights in the rotary dryer is in the range of A. 0.08 to 0.12 D, B. 0.02 to 0.05 D, C. 0.2 to 0.5 D, D. 0.5 to 0.6 D. The correct answer is 0.08 to 0.12 D. Vapor velocity in a distillation column for non-foaming mixture is in the range of times the flooding velocity. A. 0.1 to 0.3, B. 0.6 to 0.7, C. 0.85 to 0.95, D. 1.5 to 2. The correct answer is 0.6 to 0.7.